Hi, it's Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Volkswagen Crafter, stock reference number 5858. This shape ran from the 08 2017 to the present. It has an SY1 4-cylinder 2-litre twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an auto front-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our SY1 4-cylinder 2-litre twin-turbo diesel engine. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left front door, 1 dent. Left rear sliding door, 1 dent. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate, 1 dent left side, 2 dents right side. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door, 2 dents. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Auto gear shifter, heat AC controls, touchscreen media player. Interior mirror. Left hand sun visor. Courtesy light. Right hand sun visor. Tidy 3-spoke steering wheel with audio, cruise and phone buttons.